Hi everyone, my name is Ingrid, and the theme for my proc box is restaurants. The grade level that I chose was first grade, and here are my books. I have I have a restaurant and Little Chef. I have a restaurant talks about how he has a restaurant and he's a business owner, and he describes how he manages his restaurant. Little Chef here talks about how she cooks for her grandmother. So here are my artifacts. It's gonna be a notepad and a pen, and for one of the activities that I have is that they will be writing down customers' orders. I also have a menu from where they can choose food. They'll be reading through it and they'll be deciding what they want to eat. I also have the apron where they will be wearing for whenever they're cooking in the kitchen, they won't get dirty and all that stuff. Of course, the chef's hat. I do also have a cash register, and we also have money. With the money, they'll be able to count how much they need to give back, how much they're going to ring up the food, and if they have the right amount. I also have pans where they're going to be cooking. Plates to serve the food. And of course, we have food. We have waffles, we have egg, we have cheese, bacon, and other stuff to make the burgers and the hot dogs and all that stuff. This is going to be able to help them out with their countings, their readings, and their writing. Thank you.